What's up, coupon cousins? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back. What? You're welcome once. Hey, you're welcome twice. What? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So what's up, everybody? I'm in Walgreens and we're going to do an all digital deal today. This is going to be for the new couponers, and we plan on earning some points and register rewards as well, as long as they have everything in stock in the store. Okay, so if you don't know who I am, my name is Shauna, also known as Budget Boss Coupons, across all my social media sites, that is Facebook and also Instagram. So do me a couple, 2-3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get to shopping. Okay, y'all, so we are going to head to the toothpaste, and as you know, the toothpaste is on sale this week. We got 2 different promotions running for the toothpaste. So we're going to pick up this one here. They're on sale, 2 for $8. And then we get back a $2 register reward with our deal. And we will use the 5 off of 2 digital coupon to go along with this deal. So I just wanted to show you guys this other promotion. This is the one that toothpaste is $2.99 and you get back 4,000 points. But as you can see, I don't have any of that one in stock in my store, which is why I chose to go with the other one. But I did want to give this an option to you guys, because you can still use that same digital coupon, the 5 off of 3, to go along with that one. So let's get to the next aisle. Okay, so we are going to look at some laundry detergent. We're going to get some laundry detergent, and I am going to show you guys the Snuggle fabric softener as well. So the gain this week is $4.99, and we have a digital coupon that is available. It is a $1 off of 1, which would make that gain $3.99 after the coupon. But I also wanted to show you guys the all as well to give you an option. So the all is $2.99, the all, and also the Snuggle is $2.99 as well. And the digital coupon that we have is a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So with this, you have to choose either the Snuggle or the all in your transaction, because the digital coupon is for both items. I'm gonna say it again. You have to choose the all or a Snuggle product, because the digital coupon is for both items. So choose which one. Okay, y'all, so the Nice brand and also the Complete Home storage bags and freezer bags are, of course, you buy 1 get 2 free, so you're paying $2.79 for 3 of those. So that's always a great deal at Walgreens. I like to say this for the kids. That's good to put the kids snacks in, or if I got any cooks out there that need those freezer bags to break down that ground meat and that chicken and put it in the freezer or the deep freezer, Walgreens is the place to get your stuff from. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and mosey on over to the cereal. So the cereal is $1.99, and the coupon that we do have available is a digital coupon that is 50 cents off of 1 that we will be pairing. So that's after the coupon, that's going to make our cereal $1.49. So we're picking this up to go along with our haul. So here is our deal that we did at Walgreens. I did switch it up a little and did not get the Gain detergent because I feel like that deal was really gonna be a high out of pocket. So that's why I switched it up. This one here was cheaper. So of course we got our 2 Crest toothpaste. These are the ones that are on sale, 2 for $8. And the digital coupon that we used was the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. How can you confirm? All you have to do is take their Walgreens app and scan that toothpaste to confirm that it attaches, and you get back a $2 register reward with this deal. So you get a $2 register reward back with the 2 toothpaste. Next, I picked up the freezer bags and the storage bags. No digital coupon for these. I just think this is a great deal at Walgreens. And normally when they run this deal, I always pick some up. But basically, you're getting 3 boxes for $2.79 because they are buy 1, get 2 free. The next thing is I got Frosted Flakes cereals. These are $1.99. You use the 50 cents off digital coupon. It's $1.49. And last but not least, the old lonely snuggle back here in the back. Those are $1.99. Sorry, y'all, $2.99. And then after you use the digital $1 off coupon, it makes it $1.99. So here's my receipt on this, and this is all digitals, so anybody can do this deal. Your grandmama, your auntie, anybody can do this deal. Okay, y'all, so I paid a total of $9.66. Sorry, y'all. After taxes, all coupons came off with no problem. So that is great because I got a total of, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8 items for $9.66. So that's good. That is a good little deal. So like I said, all digital, and guess what? You get a register reward back on top of this deal. Now I do want to throw this off in there. If your store does have the toothpaste that's giving back the points, you can opt out and get those toothpaste if you did not want to get these. And on that particular one, you would get back points, and those points would be of course attached to your Walgreens card and your phone number for those points. But that's an all digital deal. You can do this all the way until Saturday night. But the next little thing I want to show you guys, which is what I did, is these right here. This is a, let me fix the camera. This is a spin deal that I did at Walgreens. So this particular deal here is you have to spend $10 and you get 5,000 points back, y'all. So I did that deal, and the coupons that I use 1 digital coupon, which is a $2 off of 1, and then I went over to coupons.com and I printed me out 3 internet printables for that. So how do you print out 3 internet printables? With coupons.com, coupons.com will allow you to print 2 per device. So it can go like this. You can print 2 from your cell phone. You can print 2 from your computer, 2 from your laptop. You can print 2 per device. So that's how I did that. I was looking for my 4th one, but I don't find it. But y'all can go to coupons.com and get those internet printables if your store accepts internet printables. And yes, I am aware that every store does not accept internet printables. But if your store does, this is a good little deal, you guys. Very low out of pocket. Paid $3.96 for this deal. I'm getting ready to show you guys my receipt. I did not use any points or any register rewards on this deal. I just went off in there, picked up 4 of these, made sure I clipped the digital coupon to my account, and put my phone number in and gave the cashier my 3 internet printables for those, okay? And they're all priced at $2 off 1 for the internet printables. So here is my receipt. Y'all see that? As y'all can see, everything scanned and it came off. I also want to point out at Walgreens or either CVS, well, CVS don't say this, but I'm gonna stick with Walgreens. So with Walgreens, when you see that OTC, and if you have a Flex spending account card that comes from your job, you can pay with your Flex spending account card. If you're like, dang, I ain't got $3.96, or I don't want to spend $3.96 on my debit card, or you didn't want to pay that out in cash, and you would still get your points. Okay, y'all? So when you see that little OTC, you can look it up online too, honey. Go on over to Walgreens.com and check me out and see what I'm talking about. When you go to Walgreens.com and pull that up, it's gonna show that little FSA sign up there. So just the FYI what that is. So let me show you my points. So as y'all can see, let me get it. Let me get it together. So as y'all can see, I redeemed 5,000. I'm not redeemed. I got 5,000 points back for that transaction. So that's all. That's all I got on there. So if you want to do that deal, you can. I just wanted to enlighten you guys. That's another easy way for you to build points, because I know a lot of my cousins be like, I don't have no points at Walgreens, or it's too much. So that's an easy way for you to build points at Walgreens if your store does accept internet printables. Like I said, I use 1 digital coupon, 3 internet printables on that deal. Okay, y'all? So that is it. That's all I got. So you guys have a great day. And as always, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Share this video with somebody. Somebody may want to go pick them up some good things or get off into couponing at Walgreens. All right, coupon cousins, I'll see y'all later.